Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an AI image out of MS Dhoni. Now MS Dhoni is this superstar, sports superstar in India. So I'm going to need you to search Bing.image creator. Here you go. And now right here I'm going to need you to click this one. This AI platform right here is absolutely free, so we can type in whatever AI image we like to type in. I'm going to type MS Dhoni sitting in golden throne wearing shades or wearing glasses. That's it. So once you're done typing whatever you like to type here, just go ahead and create, and voila, there you have it. So it's that easy, and this is for free. So I hope this video has been any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.